The boiler. The boiler is the complex structure at the heart of the plant that uses the heat from the burning waste to produce the steam needed to drive the turbine. Let's look at how it works. First of all, water is preheated in the economizer. The economizer uses the heat energy from the hot flue gas that would otherwise be lost to pre-warm the feed water. The preheated feed water then leaves the economizer and enters the boiler drum. The boiler drum is an 8-meter long cylindrical tank partially filled with hot water and steam. The feed water mixes into the water that is already circulating around the drum. The colder water at the bottom of the drum sinks naturally through large pipes that go down the outside of the furnace. Once at the bottom, the water is distributed into the network of pipes that go up the furnace wall. The heat from the fireball heats up the water until it starts to boil. As it heats, this steam-water mix naturally wants to expand. Because it is contained within the pipes, instead of expanding, it becomes pressurized. The pressurized boiling water-steam mixture rises through the furnace walls and back into the boiler drum. The boiler uses what is called natural circulation to move the water around the system. Colder water naturally sinks, and hotter water naturally rises. Once back in the boiler drum, moisture separators divide the water-steam mix into water and steam. At this stage, the steam produced is too foggy to drive the turbine, so it is sent to another series of pipes, called superheaters. The superheaters are heat exchangers. Inside them, the heat from the hot flue gases radiates through the pipe walls and into the steam. This dries the steam and heats it up to 400 degrees centigrade. The hot, dry steam is then piped towards the turbine. The turbine and generator. The turbine and generator turn the hot steam from the boiler into electricity. Let's look at this in detail.